Hey guys, I'm coming right along on the doors. I got the outer skins like 90% good. Still got some fine tuning to do, but hey, come check it out. I'll show you how I done that. Welcome back to the shop. My name's Rat Rod Bob, and I build stuff. I got my inner door fitting on the passenger side, and I got the bottom part section of the outer door stuck on there. And I got me a couple Clecos. Got one there to hold it on. Got the gaps a little tight, some spots, but I can fine tune that actually when I get the door finished actually. Now, since I got that in position, I can take the door off and get over there on my table and work and get the top section fitting. All I gotta do pretty much is follow this line, follow the inner door all the way around. Well, you see right there, it gets a little wide. I got it marked. I need a 1/4 inch more there, and from 1/4 inch to nothing, 1/4 inch to nothing, to go out a little bit more in that curve right there. But the rest of it, all I gotta do is line it up with the edge of the inner door, and we'll be good. So yeah, be great. I take my straight edge. You can see I got it lined, it's not hanging out anywhere, well, except for right there. This door don't match the car right there, so it's gonna take a little body filler in the end to fix that, but everywhere else, it's flush all the way around. Front and the back. Back's good everywhere. Of course, the door was too, not long enough. I still got some edge. I got to extend the edge of the outer door out there, but actually I could do that after I bond the outer door to the inner door. That's not a problem. I got plenty of lip there on the inner door to bond the outer door. Yeah, that's gonna be great. So I already made one cut that much. That's how much I had to cut off, because the top's chopped on this car and it wasn't on this door. And that piece is gonna go something like that. But now we've got a sharper curve here than what we had on the not chopped car door. So I had to make some relief cuts. I probably got to make a uniform curve there. I probably gonna have to make several cuts so it'd be a lot easier to finish it you know, it's probably gonna take some body filler to make it look really good when I get done. So I probably got at least one, probably 2, 3 relief cuts, or just cut it all the way off and go start from scratch. And this end is a lot different. I mean, you can see how far it is on this end. So I'm going to make a really sharp curve here, and that's going to take some body filler too to get that right when I get done. So I'm going to make a few cuts there. The top, along the top, it fits pretty good. Once I get this, I'm gonna work my way around, and I probably won't have to do nothing in here. Probably all this is good. Then I had to start making cuts all the way down to get this front section fitting. So, and then what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna cut, for example, I'm gonna cut this piece off. I'm gonna just cut it all the way off. And I'm gonna take Cleco, I'm gonna Cleco it on to the inner door, and then work my way around, Cleco the pieces on. And so I'm gonna cut it up. You know me, I ain't scared to cut nothing. So I'm gonna cut it up, and we'll look at it and see what we got. Next day, that's what I got. Fiberglass is cured. So now I should be able to trim that up, pull the Clecos out, take the door skin off, and so I can flip it over and fiberglass the backside, make it really strong, because the outside I'm going to have to, you know, make it look cool. So I'm going to have to sand it down. It's going to be a little bit thinner on the outside. So I'm going to put some fiberglass on the inside to strengthen it up, and we'll be pretty close to done with that skin. Like I said, I'm going to extend this. When I bind the outside door to the inside door, I'll correct that, not a problem. But everywhere else, we got a good fit all the way around. It's gonna be great. Driver's door, outer, getting it finished up, stuck together. I guess I ought to get rid of that dirt dauber now. Probably be a good thing to do. Passenger door is a little further along. After taking a series of sanding blocks, diagrammed it with sandpaper and blah, 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 I got the joints looking pretty good. Now, all I got to do is put a little dab of body filler over it to fine tune it, put some primer on it, and it'll look like a real door. What do you think? Leave me a comment, let me know if I'm doing all right or not. Man, this thing's gonna be great. You hear me? I got the top of the door, outer doors, roughed in like 90% done. Not perfect. You see I still got some fine tuning to do. I need to get a little bit more radius right there. Some fine tuning. The back looks good. Well, I still got some really fine tuning to do, but it's getting there. We're getting it. I'm getting it, I just ain't got it yet. Obviously, I still got fine-tuned the door gaps too. I'm not completely done with that. And like I said, the back skin is too sharp. When I bind the skin to the inner door, I can solve that problem, no problem. That's not a problem. Yeah, I'll fix that after I bond the two pieces together. Way down the road, ain't gonna be any time soon. You see I still got a lot of work to do to the inner doors, no doubt. But they fitting, I just gotta get them looking better and cut holes where I can get to everything, whatever. Windows, regulators, latches, door handles, and all that good stuff. As you see, the door needs to go up a little bit for that body line to match. The problem is, it's already too high here, but I got to get this lined up, no doubt. So I got enough adjustments in my door hinges to bring that door up. So I'm gonna get the body, this body line lined up, and then I'm have to modify this body line. That's a shorter distance. I mean, I don't want to mess with the doors. That's too much work. So I had to move this body line up a little bit when I get the door adjusted to match that. It shouldn't be a problem. That should be one of the easiest things I've done so far. Same with the back. It needs to go up a hair. And you see that body line in the back this body line is lined up. So when I go up to line this up, this is gonna be off a little bit. So I'm at to finagle with that a little bit, try to get that right. But that's what happens when you got kit cars with a body off of one kit and doors off another kit. But man, hey, I think I've done pretty good getting those doors fit. I mean, you seen they wasn't even nowhere close to start with. Now, I almost got them. 90% done with the outer skin, I would say. Yeah, the passenger door. That's the one that was racked, so I had to make more cuts to get the rack out of it, to unrack it, or rack it straight, whatever you want to call it. So yeah, I got to clean all of it up, make it look better. It's gonna be great. And if you look at it from this angle, you see that door curves around there like it's supposed to. That looks good. That's gonna be fine. I got the door skin. If you put a straight edge there, we good. And of course, when it gets up toward the top, it kind of sunk in for the rain, drip edge, whatever you want to call it. Same at the bottom. Of course, that bottom's gonna be in a little bit when it's all said and done. That's the way it's built. Yep. It's gonna be great. See, I still got some fine tuning. That skin needs to go in a little bit more, and it's like really thick right there. I need to cut it down some and probably cut down the inner door a little bit so this will go in a little bit more. So that's the kind of stuff I'm dealing with. I mean, that's minor though, really minor compared to what I already done. So yeah, we're getting it. Sorry, the shop's a mess, destroyed. I mean, that's just a sign of me getting work done, so I didn't stop to clean it up yet. I will one day, just not today. That's a good looking door right there. I tell you what, it's like 98 degrees. The heat index is probably 105, 106, something, I don't know, it's hot. So, and that's a lot of work. I'm taking the rest of the day off at pay. Appreciate you. See you next time. Yep, time to take the rest of the day off at pay.